Lord and Taylor. Ooh, there's the drop key. Oh wow, it's a double nickel one. Oh fuck, this used to be a Lexan. Not anymore. Look at that. Otis. God damn, this thing's easier to close. Alright. 2 COPs. Oh wait, that's what the fuck? The COP's on this side, and the PI's on that side. That's weird. Well, it looks like something is behind it. That's so weird. Okay. 2. Whew, this thing's lovely. It's a weird motor. Oh, it's just classic level. Let's see that again. There's your COP. Of course, the PI's burnt out. Oh, just my luck. It's weird. There's like 3 spots on the PI, and only one of them's labeled. And this one's L, but that says 1. Okay, let's sketch this classic leveling again, since there's really nothing else to watch. There's your Otis logo. The doors are shaking. That's lovely. Ooh. Cabinet. This whole thing's shaky as hell. And the lantern's burnt out too. How fun. That's it.